Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the recipe of delicious matcha cheesecakes. It has double layer and a graham cracker crust. Prepare the ingredients and let's get started. For this recipe we will need 80 grams of graham cracker crumbs, 50 grams of sugar, 35 grams of milk, 215 grams of heavy cream, 7 grams of matcha powder, 260 grams of cream cheese, 6 grams of gelatin, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 40 grams of melted butter, 60 grams of white chocolate chips, and of course the scales. Start by crushing 80 grams of graham crackers until fine crumbs. In a small bowl, combine the graham cracker crumbs and 40 grams of melted butter and mix well. Press a few tablespoons of graham cracker crumbs into the bottom of each mold, then place in the fridge while making the filling. Place 260 grams softened cream cheese in a bowl and beat with an electric mixer until smooth. Now let's add 50 grams of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and beat until combined. Now let's mix 35 grams of milk and 6 grams of gelatin. Add some boiling water in a separate bowl and continue mixing the gelatin above it. Once the gelatin mixture is thinner, add it to the filling and mix together until fully combined. Melt 60 grams of white chocolate chips and add in 155 grams of heavy cream. Mix until combined and then add the chocolate mixture to the filling and mix until smooth. To have double layered matcha cheesecakes, we have to set aside 200 grams of the filling to the separate bowl. Let's mix together 7 grams of matcha and 60 grams of heavy cream and add it to the filling. Pour the matcha filling about 1/3 full into the molds, cover and place in the fridge to set for 15 minutes. Now take the cheesecakes out of the refrigerator, pour the next layer of the filling and place in freezer to set for about 3 hours. And this is it! Our delicious mini no-bake matcha cheesecakes are ready. Bon appetit!